So angle the stick.
We were measuring the distance between two pieces of cardboard to see the diameter of the sun.
Make sure you can always see the pinhole. We're using a card with a hole to produce a pinhole image of the sun that will be projected onto a cardboard with 1 centimeter distances marked. So then they're measuring how far those plates have to be apart from each other to produce the right size image. So then we're going to scale this model up so that they can calculate how big the real sun actually is.
When you get to do hands-on experiments like that, does it make learning more fun?
I feel like it does. It just helps the class go by faster, and it's a more friendly interaction with everybody.
So how did you kind of come up with this lesson for the kids to take part in?
I stole this from a much more experienced astronomy teacher.
But that's awesome, right? That's what we do. We share as teachers.
Yes, that's one of the things I love most about Coronado is how much of this kind of stuff happens, how much we share around.
What would you say has been, I know we're early on in school, so far your favorite part of this class?
I would say when we did a constellation, we made a constellation with pipe cleaners. That was pretty fun.
So what's it like for you to see them engaging and learning and having fun?
This is amazing, and it is really hard to get a class this big, all touching the science and talking about the science. So getting to bring them outside and do something really hands-on like this helps a lot, especially astronomy that meets at 11 a.m.